guess a few guys that might be involved in doing that. Uh-oh, he's back. What is going on here?
See a bunch of guys scattering.
I don't think I've ever seen a game delayed by bees. That's B-E-E-S. Not in the bat either, but on the camera. They have swarmed right on the screen behind home plate, where the robo camera, the
bird that was stationed between home plate and the pitcher's mound, and finally John Jaso had to chase him out of there, but he does not want to leave. So a leadoff two-base hit for Coco Crisp.
Strikeout. He struck out Chu before he left.
Timeout. Bird crossing.
Taking his time too, isn't he? You know you can fly. It's a lot faster than walking.
Why not on the field?
No kidding.
There it comes across. There it is. Hey, kitty.
Man, he is fast.
No doubt.
Something about the car.
He gone. Cat-like quickness.
Where's a squirrel?
Well, we used to have a cat that looked just like that.
There he is.
That's Mickey.
That Mickey?
For a ballpark, look at him.
For a ballpark cat, that's probably a good name. That have camped out in right center field. And that's right where.
Where do you belong, little parakeet?
He got out.
Do you have anything to say? Should we get a microphone?
Should have left the hood over. He should have been asleep. He got out.
First time tonight either team has had a runner in scoring position.
The closest water, the Anacostia, running along the first baseline.
That's the greenhead.
You might say one's fair and one's foul.
Yeah, well, I knew there'd be a Cordy joke in there somewhere after my.
Front of the Brewers dugout.
That dude, he's just been hanging out. He's been hanging around behind home plate. A base hit for Herrera, the rally bird.
You know what he's after down there, though? You know, sunflower seeds. The guys are probably flipping them sunflowers.
Perez at second
base. And I know there's not any corn. I know there's no sunflower seeds, but he's pecking away at something.
And Hernan's trying to get him to move, and he moved like a foot.
Yeah, well, it's dinner time.
4:54. And check out this. We have a squirrel crawling up the net behind home plate. I'm not sure. Yeah, really. The squirrel and the Phillies and the Cardinals. That's not something we want to talk about.
I saw that. Think he's looking for some peanuts.
Uh-oh. It's going to pay Davis a visit, it appears.
It's black. Almost looked like a.
Now Worley went over to shoo it away. It draws a smile from Miguel Cabrera. All fouled out of play.